Have you ever wondered if your Favepay vouchers have a secret expiration date? You know, those little digital gems that promise discounts and rewards? Well, today, we're diving deep into the Favepay vault to find out the truth. Let's get started. Before we tackle the expiration question, let's quickly recap what Favepay vouchers are. Essentially, they're digital coupons or gift cards that you can use to get discounts on various products and services. They're often offered as rewards for making purchases, signing up for promotions, or simply being a loyal Favepay user. Now, let's address the burning question: do Favepay vouchers expire? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Factors affecting expiration. There are a few factors that can influence whether your Favepay voucher will expire. Voucher type. Some vouchers might have a specific expiration date from the time they're issued. Others might not have an expiration date at all. Terms and conditions. Always check the terms and conditions of the voucher. They'll clearly outline any expiration dates or restrictions. Voucher issuer. The company or merchant issuing the voucher might have its own expiration policies. How to check your voucher's expiration. If you're unsure about your voucher's expiration date, here are a few ways to check. Favepay app. The Favepay app often provides details about your vouchers, including their expiration dates. Voucher details. Look for an expiration date or valid until clause on the voucher itself. Contact Favepay customer support. If you're still unsure, reach out to Favepay's customer support team. They can provide you with the specific details. Tips for using your vouchers. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your Favepay vouchers. Check validity. Before using a voucher, ensure it's still valid. Read terms and conditions. Understand any restrictions or requirements associated with the voucher. Use them timely. If your voucher does have an expiration date, use it before it's too late. So, there you have it. While some Favepay vouchers may have expiration dates, others might not. The best way to determine the validity of your voucher is to check the terms and conditions or contact Favepay customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, always be mindful of your voucher's expiration date to avoid missing out on those sweet discounts.